2024. INEC ready. IGP deployed 35,000 police for governorship election. As Edo State gears up for its upcoming governorship election on September 21st, 2024, electoral officials and security forces are finalizing preparations to ensure a smooth and peaceful process. The Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, has declared its readiness for the polls. INEC Chairman, Professor Mahmood Yakub, announced this during a recent stakeholders meeting in Benin City.
That the accreditation tags for all categories of stakeholders are virtually ready. We will announce the date and venue for the collection in the next 24 hours.
Edo State now boasts of 2,629,025 registered voters, with 184,438 new and transferred permanent voters' cards issued in the most recent registration exercise. Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetokun, has said security is a top priority for this election and has announced the deployment of 35,000 police personnel who will work alongside 8,000 officers from other security agencies. The election will take place across 4,519 polling units, with 134 observer groups accredited to monitor the proceedings. Over 700 journalists from 114 media outlets will be on the ground to cover the event. Let me reassure stakeholders that INEC is ready for the election. We have so far implemented 11 out of 13 activities in the election timetable. In a significant move, the Inspector General has banned the state-owned Edo State Security Network from participating in the election. This decision aims to ensure that only authorized federal security personnel are involved in maintaining order during the polls.
Direct all local security apparatus within Edo State to refrain from interfering with election security functions. In this regard, the activities of Edo State Security Corps, which has been suspended, remains suspended until further notice.
As the September 19th deadline for political campaigns approaches, INEC has urged all parties and candidates to promote peaceful conduct among their supporters. Stay tuned for more updates on the Edo State governorship election at NaijaNews TV.